How y'all doing?
Yes, that's good. No worries.
Good.
Sorry for a delay. We are going to have a firm end time, though, okay?
How are you, Mike? Very nice to see you.
Nice to see you, sir. Thank you, Victoria.
Thank you.
Secretary, Iran is enriching on 63% purity. They're sitting on 3 tons of stockpile, running more advanced centrifuges, less cooperation with IAEA. Has the maximum pressure policy failed as Biden administration suggested?
We need to make sure that we address them in a way that matches the threat that they pose to the American people.
But they are cooperating on nuclear issues and missile technology.
They've cooperated in the past. We've now seen China and Iran engage in complex set of behaviors, another nuclear power, right? A complex set of arrangements. They are growing the depth of that relationship as well. This is something that should concern every freedom-loving nation around the world.